This Google AI tool is crazy. It's called Opal, and you can build a complete SEO tool with it, no code needed. Today I'm showing you how to build a full SEO system that does keyword research, on-page audits, technical scans, competitor analysis, backlinks, and AI content generation all in one place. What if I told you that you could build a professional SEO tool today, right now, without writing a single line of code? I'm talking about a tool that does everything: keyword research with real-time data, on-page SEO scoring, technical audits, competitor gap analysis, backlink checking, even AI content generation, all powered by Google's new platform called Opal. Google Opal is a no-code AI mini-app builder from Google Labs. You describe what you want in plain English, it builds the workflow for you. No coding, no technical skills, just your ideas turned into working apps. And here's the crazy part: it's now available in over 160 countries. That means you can use it right now. This is a game changer for SEO because AI workflow automation is finally accessible to everyone. You don't need a development team, you don't need months of work. You can build your entire SEO system inside Opal and scale it fast. Let me show you the exact prompt I used to build this entire system. This is the brain of the operation. Here it is. Build a complete modern SEO tool. Include keyword research with real-time SERP, intent detection, clustering and trends. Include on-page SEO analysis with titles, headings, EEAT, and helpful content scores. Include technical SEO scans covering core web vitals, indexing, schema, and mobile-first design. Include competitor analysis with content gaps, backlink comparison, and UX analysis. Include backlink audits, showing authority, toxicity, and missing link opportunities. Include an AI SEO content generator for meta tags, schema markup, and humanized EEAT writing. And include an SEO dashboard with charts, priorities, and exportable reports. Make the system accurate, fast, and aligned with Google Helpful Content 2.0, EEAT AI overviews, zero-click searches, and semantic SEO. That's the prompt. You feed this into Opal and watch it build the modules. Let's dive into the keyword research module. This is where everything starts. You need to know what people are searching for, but it's not enough to just have a list of keywords anymore. You need real-time SERP tracking. You need intent detection to know if people want to buy, learn, or compare. You need clustering to group related keywords together. And you need trending topics so you can create content before your competitors do. In Opal, you chain together a simple workflow. You fetch SERP data through an API. You analyze the intent behind each search. You cluster the keywords into groups, and you output a clean list with all the data you need. This gives you a massive advantage because you're not guessing. You're using real data to make decisions. Next is the on-page SEO analysis module. This is critical because even the best content can fail if it's not optimized properly. This module checks your titles and headings to make sure they're optimized. It evaluates your EEAT signals, that's expertise, experience, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. Google cares about this now more than ever. The module also scores your content's helpfulness. Is it actually useful to readers, or is it just keyword stuffing? In Opal, the workflow is simple. You input a URL, it passes all the on-page elements, it compares them against best practices, and it gives you a score with specific suggestions for improvement. You can see exactly what needs to be fixed. Now let's talk about the technical SEO scan module. Technical issues are silent ranking killers. Your content could be perfect, but if your site is slow or has indexing problems, you won't rank. This module scans everything. It checks your core web vitals like largest contentful paint, first input delay, and cumulative layout shift. It verifies your schema markup is correct. It checks if your site is mobile first. It looks at indexing status to make sure Google can actually crawl your pages. All of this is automated in Opal. You fetch the page metrics, you analyze them, and you get a detailed report. No more manually checking every page. The system does it for you. The competitor analysis module is where you get the edge. You can't just focus on your own site. You need to know what your competitors are doing. This module shows you content gaps. What topics are they covering that you're not? It analyzes their backlink strategies. Where are they getting links from? It compares user experience metrics. Are their sites faster, easier to navigate? In Opal, you list your competitor URLs, you fetch their data, you compare the metrics side by side, and you get a clear list of opportunities so you can see exactly where you're falling behind and what you need to do to catch up. Then there's the backlink audit module. Backlinks still matter a lot, but it's not about quantity anymore, it's about quality and context. This module shows you the authority of each backlink. It flags toxic links that could hurt your rankings, and it identifies missing link opportunities, links your competitors have that you don't. In Opal, you import your backlink data. The system analyzes the authority scores and toxicity levels, and it outputs a prioritized action list. The AI SEO content generator module is where things get really exciting. This is the engine that turns all your insights into actual content. It generates meta tags optimized for click-through rates. It creates schema markup, so your pages show up with rich snippets, and it writes content that's optimized for both humans and AI. It includes EEAT signals like author credentials and expert quotes. It's humanized so it doesn't sound robotic. In Opal, you input a keyword or topic, the system generates meta tags, it creates the content, and it builds the schema markup. You can repeat this process for as many pages as you need. Content creation that used to take hours now takes minutes. Everything feeds into one central dashboard. This is where you see your priorities ranked. You get charts showing your progress. You can export reports as PDFs or spreadsheets for clients. You're not just doing analysis, you're delivering professional results. Your time is freed up, your clients are impressed, and you're running a scalable SEO operation. Here's why this matters right now. SEO isn't what it was 5 years ago. It's not even what it was last year. Generative AI is changing everything. Answer engines are replacing traditional search. Zero-click searches mean people get answers without visiting websites. If you're still using outdated tools, you're going to get left behind. You need a tool built for the future, and you build it with Google Opal.